Hey everybody, what's up? It's your girl Chiney K, and welcome to this week's episode of the On My Mind series. This week's episode features a superstar singer, songwriter, and friend, Kim Nain. Woo! How are you, sweetie?
I'm good, I'm great, just like you.
Okay, let's jump right into it. I'm gonna ask you a question that I hate asking. Well, I'm gonna ask you a question that I hate when people ask me, but I'm gonna ask you anyway. Who is Kim Nain, for those of my viewers that don't know?
Oh wow, Kim Nain is a lot of things. Kim Nain is a singer-songwriter. I have my law degree, I have my teacher's diploma, study education done, pack and thing. But I also, I do a bunch of other things outside of that. I've done bookings, I've done like a whole editing, you name it, been there, done that. Music is my passion, it's my number one dream, that's all I want to do. But you know, when you have parents and things, and make sure they think start out. So I made sure that I had the education part unlocked. Right now, my focus is on music. I started music since, I've been singing since before high school actually, but it became more in high school, and then after high school I started to record professionally. Okay. So that's when it really started.
What are some things you've done that you think people out there might hear it already or see it already, but kind of really never realize they are you? Let us know about that.
Okay. KFC commercial that was playing for like years now. The how does it feel? They don't know that I did it. What else is there? I went on tour with Omi.
Nice.
That's cheerleader.
Yeah. Ooh, I found
that. Yeah, I was on tour with him in summer of 2015. I'm a songwriter, so I actually do get requests for songwriting and stuff. So yeah.
Tell the people. Let me see how much things. Maybe tell them 3 things that they might not know about Kim Nain.
I'm not limited to any genre, so for one, don't expect that, because I'm a Jamaican singer-songwriter, I do reggae and dancehall. It's not that. It's an entirely new sound that my producer and I have been creating. Okay. So
does it have a name yet or not really?
There's no name for it because it's fusion. I don't know what else to call it more than just fusion. I guess when I have the compilations out, I think people will get a better idea of what it is that I do. But it's a fusion. I have a mix of a lot of genres in my music. 2, let me see. I am a jack of all trades, or a Jill of all trades. So I do everything. Nice. People might think that I have some like big team. It's only in recent times I even started to, put the team together. I've been doing everything myself since day one. What's the third thing though? I don't know.
No, you can't cook.
I can't cook.
Before we get to the second part of this interview, I know you guys are probably wondering why Chiney K and Kim sit around the table with just pepper and milk and nothing else to dip on it. Well, your girl Kim Nain released this hot single called Up and Down. Up and down I go. Up and down. One particular line that stuck to me when she posted the hot Instagram video was,
Pepper, pan your tongue like fire. Lift you up, the run, see you rise up higher. So me bring it up higher, I'ma lift you up higher.
Yes, and that line right there was one of the reasons why I fell in love with this song. And Kim, being the good sport she is, I decided to lay out some peppers we could find here in Jamaica. So first we have our Scotch bonnet pepper. No, what pepper your name? So first we have our sweet peppers. Then we have our cayenne chili pepper. Then we have our Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper. And people don't know that the Scotch bonnet pepper hot. So in this part of the interview, I'm going to ask Kim Nain some questions, and we're going to just eat the pepper. Kim, tell me, how did you come up with the idea for Up and Down?
Well, I was at G-Jam, and
where's G-Jam for those who don't know?
Oh, G-Jam is actually in Portland. Jamaica is one of the most beautiful parishes, by the way. It's my favorite place. Anyway, I was at Portland, the studio there, and like my main producer, Dale Disselbergo, he was working with Troy Baker, Troy Baker is from UK, New York. Dale's from here, right? And they did a fusion production for that particular song with these 2 guys from Netherlands, Team Russia, and we just felt like doing something real crazy.
When it comes to up and down, what kind of feeling do you want people to get? What kind of feeling you want people to get from up and down, Kim?
The feeling that I want people to get from up and down is party.
Party.
As a woman in Jamaica, we go to all of these dances, and it's always a man tune playing, where all the men just go bloop bloop bloop. Women should be able to be the men for once, right?
Right.
So this tune was like, you know, Miss Sexy and McCube will walk into the club or into the dance, the street dance or whatever, and basically you run the dance floor.
To the last question of this interview, and to the hottest pepper. Whew.
Lord have mercy.
Kim. Kim, what's next? Tell people where they could find more more about you.
Wow. Let me tell. Well, they can definitely find me on all social media. Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. My website, KimNain.official.com. That's the same handle for all my social media, at KimNain.official. KimNain official. That's it. You can find me there. You can find me on my website. You can check out everything. YouTube, Instagram, SoundCloud, the whole works. Yeah.
Right, the whole works. Well, you guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Kim Nain, thank you so much for being here for this week's episode of the
milk.
Yes. Thanks for being here, guys, for this week's episode of the On My Mind series. You guys already know what to do. Stay tuned. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and don't forget to subscribe. Peace.
She's dying right now.
Pepper, pepper, pepper on your tongue like fire. If you have the room, see your rise up higher. So me fling it up higher and me take you up higher, 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 higher.